This is the first test drive of the lowered foot pegs. So I made these lowered foot pegs the other day, and this is the first time I'm going to get to test them. And I also raised the bars. So this is the first test run, so let's see how it goes. That's my girl. Oh, the foot position's a lot better. So the original bars were a little bit forward and they were a lot further down. And the problem is, I would literally drive up this road and my hands would be absolutely finished. The thing is, I'm not a very tall guy, so the idea was to raise the bars a little bit, just change the position so my seating position was slightly different. The thing is, a lot of the guys that have Blackbirds have that problem. So there were two major things that I changed, other than raising them. Is I moved them a little bit back, and the center line of the handles are in line with the center line of the shocks. Where previously they were ahead and further down. So they were cast using an old mag wheel that I melted on my furnace. So they're pretty strong. The handlebar risers had some interesting machining that was needed, because other than changing the riding position, I also changed the angle of the handles. The original Blackbird had the original Blackbird had handles that went down at quite an angle, and that was also giving the far end of my palms sort of towards this side horrible pains. So I changed the angle from 9 to 3 degrees, and that's also made a nice difference. I'm specifically riding without gloves. I normally never ride without gloves, because I actually want to feel how rough the handles are without any gloves, because the gloves have got a certain amount of padding. So anyway, the machining was quite interesting, because there's two different angles that I needed to machine. There's the center machining with the splitting for the clamping nut, and then the angle for the bars. Yep, I think this has done a world of good. My hips aren't sore, my hands aren't sore, and I tell you what, if I was driving around like this with old handles, I would not be a happy chappy. Let's turn this bike into an absolute pleasure. And of course, this is driving without any gloves on. Probably some of the roughest roads in Joburg. And of course, my bike just keeps on giving year after year after year. Oh man, I love this bike. Yeah, I think this mod was a winner. Thanks for watching, guys.